Spoken Case Studies by Mr. Eden. On paper 1, in the Development Dynamics section, you will need to know a case study of one emerging country in terms of how it is managing to develop. Your case study is India, and this is part 2. Rapid growth and the impacts on people. Population change. Birth rates are high, death rates and infant mortality rates have fallen, and this is due to better healthcare and education. Population growth in India is rapid. In 1990, the population was 870 million. In 2015, it is now 1.3 billion. 28% of the population are under 14. This is a youthful population. Life expectancy has increased. In 1990, it was 58. By 2014, 68. Fertility rate is falling because of growing wealth and better education. Growth rates are slowing down. The fertility rate in 1990 was 4 children on average per woman. In 2014, it is 2.4. Urban areas are growing because of migration and natural increase. In 1990, it was 26% urban, and by 2014, 33%. There are 4 megacities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Bengaluru, and there are 3 more expected by 2030. However, there is development inequality. Manufacturing has benefited urban areas more than rural. More money is spent to attract investment, so new wealth can be spent on projects to improve literacy rates and quality of life. Poverty in rural areas leads to undernourishment, health problems, poor education, and low literacy rates. As an example, Maharashtra, an urban area, has an urban population of 45%, while Bihar, a rural area, has just 11%. The GDP per capita in Maharashtra is $2,561, whilst in Bihar it is only $682. The HDI in Maharashtra is 0.572, whilst Bihar, the rural area, is 0.367. Literacy rates are much better in the urban area of Maharashtra at 83% and much poorer in Bihar at 64%. So the positive impacts of rapid growth are that all age groups have better health. For example, the elderly are living longer, there has been a lower infant mortality rate and a lower maternal mortality rate. Some age groups have better education, and there can be better gender equality, for example, access to education and contraception. The negative impacts of rapid growth are that there has been rapid industrialization, which means young men may have to do dangerous jobs. As young people move to urban areas, there are fewer workers left in the rural villages. There's still a lot of gender inequality. For example, crimes against women are increasing in cities. Rapid growth. Impacts on environments. Industrialization leads to higher energy consumption due to increased demand for fossil fuels in homes, industry, and vehicles. This means that more greenhouse gases are emitted. 7% of all greenhouse gases are emitted from India. This has also created more air pollution. Thick toxic smog forms in cities such as New Delhi. More than 0.5 million Indians die each year from illnesses related to air pollution. Urban sprawl creates land and water pollution. 70% of India's sewage flows untreated into rivers. Waste material may not be sorted correctly. Dangerous waste and byproducts may be dumped. Costs and benefits. International relations. The costs. There are increasing tensions between India and China. Both are rapidly growing. Developed nations also worried about losing economic power as India develops. Benefits. Improved relations leads to cooperation with other countries, for example, climate change, and FDI brings benefits to both host and source country. Global trade agreements mean political actions are more effective. Foreign investment from TNCs. TNCs can cause environmental problems. Global retail chains can offer cheap prices. However, street traders are concerned they may lose trade. And TNCs could withdraw at any time. For example, if economic climate changes, the company may decide to leave India.